case of on-premise private cloud. So an enterprise will host its own virtualized data center and cloud management service. So only that enterprise and its users can access this cloud. So the private cloud can also be externally hosted, where a third-party cloud service provider is hosting the infrastructure, but it is again restricted to a single enterprise. So this is what you mean by private cloud. Hybrid cloud is a combination of private cloud and public cloud. So when enterprise may make a decision to have some of its data and applications in its private cloud, which might be mission critical, and move some of its applications and data to a public cloud where it is co-located with other users by other enterprises. Then there is a concept called community cloud, where cloud infrastructure is shared by several organizations who support a specific community or have some shared concerns or shared objective. So in case of public cloud, they might be the users or the enterprises may not be related at all, or maybe competitors, and it can be general public and enterprise, all types of combination. But in case of community cloud, these enterprises might be partners or may have some relationship with each other. They have a shared concern or they belong to a community. So this might be managed by those organizations or by a third party. Another important concept in cloud computing is cloud service management. As we discussed in earlier slides, once you have a virtualized data center, you need a set of software and a set of component which actually manages your virtual infrastructure. So cloud service management is a set of processes that enable and optimize cloud services in order to satisfy business requirements and provide value to consumers. Service management process align delivery of cloud services to an organization's business objectives and to the expectation of the cloud service consumers. The requirement is to understand objectives and activities in each service management process. An organization with best service creation tools but poor service management process often fails to deliver services of required quality. So cloud service management is very